What? Disconnected by server. Why? Seems like it's up. Okay, we got like 11 minutes to wait. In the meantime, I'm gonna play with my phone, I guess. Perfect. Sure. Maybe I can play a game of Hearthstone while we're waiting for this thing to get ready. Got 10 minutes about. Let's see, let's see. What's being said on admin code? Am I well understanding? Can't find an error for day 2 by getting some result by myself. Finding good result. Here's my code. Someone can be more easy to find the solution. What's day 2? It was the thing, right? The wrapping paper thing. Number, buffer 2, my file. Does I get 50 bytes or something? Oh no, snow chugger. Chugga. kind of want to try it out, but only a few minutes. That looks good.
My shield for Angus.
Is my stream still up? I think so. It's only bad if it's like vaporized. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Where's my... Hey, how come I'm featured? Awesome. When did I get featured? Or what does that mean? Oh, that's not featured, that's been live. Okay. Damn it. Why can't I be featured? Working screen for Unity game. C++ direct text. C# Asgard RT net library basic game. Oh, what? The fuck did he get that? This guy just played a Dreadsteed. From where? Oh, he got it from the portal. Damn it! That's really annoying. How do I kill it? I don't think I can. Jeez, okay. Anima Golem, maybe. Should not have played that Anima Golem because it could have given him an Anima Golem and that would have been terrible. That would have been so bad. Yeah, it looks like it's there. What? Three minutes. This game better end fast. Am I well understanding? Iterative and recursive methods. Ruby. Instructions don't complete. Yeah, I had trouble with 7 as well. That was pretty hard. I don't think I have a Ruby compiler on this machine. Actually, maybe I do. Is that it? Ruby? Yeah, I guess I do. Okay. Okay, Dreadsteed. What did he play? Good, that'll be good. Okay, let's close that. I only got 2 minutes. Get pumped up. So, what the fuck? That's bullshit. Man, what the fuck? He's playing like Dreadsteed Mage. Alright, we gotta kill that. Can we kill? Yeah, okay, I won anyway. Alright. Good, okay, I don't think we have time for another game. I live. One minute. This time I'm gonna watch this countdown timer go, and then I'm gonna click it immediately. Instead of last time, I was like distracted by something else. What was I doing last time? I think I was reading something on Reddit or something like that, which I don't want to do. Not and or L shift R shift. Oh, that's pretty cool. So he's mapping like strings to lambdas, I guess. Pretty clever. Looks really nice. This Ruby code looks really good. Maybe I will try to figure out what he's doing. It's great. I bought some ads on Facebook for an app I made, and the ads have been super, super effective. All these people are like commenting on the ads and good googly moogly. Coding time. Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Do I need to refresh? I'm already like 10 seconds behind. There's no way we can win now. Your Aunt Sue has given you a wonderful gift, and you would like to send her a thank you card. However, there's a small problem. She signed it from Aunt Sue. You have 500 aunts named Sue. So to avoid sending the card to the wrong person, you need to figure out which Aunt Sue, which you conveniently number 1 to 500, gave you the gift. You open the present, and as luck would have it, good old Aunt Sue got you my first crime scene analysis machine. Okay. Just what you wanted, or needed, as the case may be. The My First Crime Scene Analysis Machine, MFC SAM for short, can detect a few specific compounds in a given sample, as well as how many distinct kinds of those compounds there are. According to the instructions, these are what the MFC SAM can detect. Children. What? By human DNA age analysis. Cats. It doesn't differentiate between individual breeds. Several seemingly random breeds of dog. Semoyeds, Pomeranians, Akitas, and Vislas. Goldfish, no other type of fish. Trees, all in one group. Cars, presumably by exhaust or gasoline or something. Perfumes, which is handy since many of your aunts Sue wear a few kinds. In fact, many of your aunts Sue have many of these. You put the wrapping from the gift into the MFC SAM. It beeps inquisitively at you a few times and then prints out a message on the ticker tape. Children 3, Cat 7, Samoyeds 2, Pomeranians 3, Akita 0, Vislas, Goldfish, Trees, Cars, Perfume. Okay. Make a list of things you can remember about each Aunt Sue. Things missing from your list aren't. 0, you simply don't remember the value. Oh, what? This looks crazy. No, you need to relax. Yeah. Sue 1. Okay. Alright. Okay. That's a stupid looking dog. I don't get it. You make a list of things you can remember about each Aunt Sue. Things missing from this aren't 0. You simply can't remember the value. What is the number of the Sue that gave you the gift? Oh, okay. Okay. So, this is kind of like... So let's just do something with this data. Puzzle 16. Oh no, I forgot to copy that thing. Okay, that's good. Close over this, and then let's just print it out console line, and then so read key. Yep, great. Now, what the hell do I do with this? So, my thinking is we just rule out which answers it can't be. Right? So, yeah, it's funny. This one actually has 2 inputs. So, I guess we'll pass this in as a string, maybe. String ticker tape output. String tape output, or MFC SAM output. Or maybe whatever, just tape output. And then in here we'll go string tape output equals I hope those tabs don't come up. I don't want tabs. Does it matter actually if the tabs are there? I don't know. What's wrong? Oh yeah, tape output, okay. Okay. Let's just write out the tape output as well because I want to see what it looks like. Fuck! Those fucking tabs are there. Okay. Whatever. Better. But still not great. Because of white space. I don't want new line characters in there, so string cats, children, semi Pomeranians. So I reckon this should be a dictionary. Close tape. And then we want to feed that into the dictionary. But let's just put it straight in, like equals new equals syntax is pretty annoying. Is it like this? Or is it? I think it is like that. Hmm. How the hell did I do it yesterday? I was defining a dictionary in line somewhere. Where is it? Oh, did I delete it? No, that's really annoying. Yeah. Okay. So it's just like this. I got it right, but I forgot to put in this thing. We're wasting a lot of time with this. Especially since I just realized I need to add a comma at the end as well. Yes, good. Far. Okay. Great. So we have that, and then we want to read in another dictionary, which is like string to string to dictionary. Maybe we don't need. Yeah. Okay. Let's just make a. Let's make a class for that. Yep. What? Good. Okay. And then it's also got like a. Properties. What properties again? It feels like yesterday. Great. So how do we want to read? How do we want to do this? I mean, the soup part is not important, so we'll just split by spaces again. Yeah, let's split by spaces again. For array equals new equals line dot split. We'll be splitting by spaces every time we're doing this. On var equals new array 1. And that'll just be the number, which is fine. And it's going to have a colon, which I don't want actually, because it's annoying to replace. Yeah, okay. We also want to list the aunts somewhere here. Maybe it doesn't need to be a member variable. For aunt list equals new list aunt. So we will. Okay, problematic because the aunts can have like numerous lines of properties, right? So this one has 1, 2, 3. Well, they all have only 3. Yeah, it looks like they all only have 3. Wait. I mean, that's just lucky. I mean, cars. Is car? Oh yeah, cars is a valid parameter. Okay, let's just be jerks and hard code it. So properties dot properties dot add array 0, 1, 2 to replace 0 and int dot parse array 3 and replace column nothing, and then we'll just do that 2 more times, I think. That's 4, 6, and 5, 7, right? And is there a compile error? Yes, there is. Okay, so I think then we just add the aunt to the aunt list. Go. Why is that? Okay. So it looks like it didn't crash. And let's see what happens when we get here. If we have like a nice aunt list full of aunts. Yes, we got 500. What kind of properties do they have? 3. Okay. I reckon there might actually be one in there somewhere that has more than 3 properties. So far it looks like no. That doesn't seem to be the case, but we can... Yeah, that's not going to help. I mean, there's ways to count it, but it looks about right. Okay, so we've got our aunt list, and then now we want to we just want to go through and see which one is most likely to be the aunt. So go away, Apple software update. So I don't know. I think we can just do this for each bar on in our list, and then we'll go through each key in the output dictionary and see if it matches. So no, we go through the properties in the aunt and see if they match the keys. So if for each bar property in aunt.properties, it's a element. So that gives us a key array, a key value thing, and then we'll so we go through like those 3 things, and we'll say if lem dot key. No, let's do this. So string property equals for each element dot key, right? Because they come in like yeah, string first. So we got the string, and then we want to see if it exists. If aunt dot contain dot no, if for each aunt and aunt list, and then for each element in aunt properties. Yeah, so we're going across this thing actually. So if output dictionary dot contains key, property. So if it has that property, and I'll put dictionary key equals aunt.properties. We don't need to do that. We can just go element value. Value equals element value. So if there's a property match, then that's just one property match. We don't care. So what we actually care about is if this isn't true. Like, so basically it's like if not. So actually we kind of want to go like this and then write some code here, right? I don't want to do that. It's too confusing. So maybe I'll just wrap it all around in a not. Okay, so we got that, and then it's not a match. If output dictionary does not contain key, or yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. I think that bool is correct, so it's not that nice, but it's correct, I think. So if output dictionary does not have that and it's not that, then we want to break out of that loop, right? But if it does, then we want to say this aunt could be the one. Console.writeLine aunt.name. Okay. So what I think is actually we're gonna get multiple aunts. Yeah, we got all of them. Too many. That's way too many aunts. Okay, so why do we get all of them? Let's loop through and see what the hell's going on. So for each, right? So for each aunt in the thing, we go through the element and then we see if one go through all 500 aunts. Check if they have any properties in our output dictionary. So we're going through their properties. No, just don't do that. Go through all their properties. Through all the properties of this aunt. String property equals element.q element of value. So if output dictionary contains key and output dictionary property equals value. Yeah, let's go down here and see what the hell's going on. So what's the property? Goldfish. Output dictionary, does it have goldfish? Yeah, it does. Okay, so element goldfish 6. Output dictionary goldfish 5. So it does have the goldfish, but the number of goldfish doesn't match, right? So 6 does not equal 5. Pretty sure of that. Right, so it should break out. It breaks out of this one, and then it writes the line. Okay. So that's not the right place to output. So, okay, so this bool is correct. I thought the bool might be wrong. But it's breaking out of this one. Instead of breaking out, we might just go, bool is the aunt of our tree. So it's false. Or we could just set it to true, and then if we hit this condition, is is the aunt of our dreams. That is false, right? And then once we're done looking across the aunt's properties, we'll go if is the aunt of our dreams, then let's try that. Alright, 103. Let's see if we got it. Yes! Okay, doing better than yesterday. Alright, now, part 2. As you're about to send a thank you note, something in the instruction catcher apparently has outdated retro, and the output from the machine isn't exact value. Some of them are particular cats and trees recording. There's a greater than that many due to the unpredictable nuclear decay of cat tender and tree. While the Pomeranian's goldfish readings indicate that there are fewer than that many. Oh man! Okay. What is the number of the real Aunt Sue? No! Link will... Yeah, I'm sure Link will do it all, but I want to do it fast, so I just... Okay, so cats and trees, greater than that amount of cats and trees. Okay. Fuck. Okay, so how do we do this? Yeah, so we let's just do it like this. So let's just do it in a stupid way. If output dictionary dot contains key, if output dictionary that contains key, else is the false. Okay. If output dictionary that contains key property, then string. Okay. If key is cats or trees, so okay. If property equals cats or property equals trees, else if property equals Pomeranians or goldfish, Pomeranians, is that spelled right? Pomeranians, yeah, that's right. Guildfresh. Okay, else, then it's just equals. So we got the key. If we don't have the key, then it's not the right thing. So if property equals cats or trees, then there are greater than that many. So aunt dot property should be, and aunt so man, okay, yeah, okay, so value greater than cats and trees, and yeah, they're greater than many. I'm gonna rename this to aunt value. And then the key in output dictionary. Int output value equals output dict. Okay. So in particular, cats and trees, yeah, they're greater than that many. They're greater than that many. So the aunt should have greater than that many. So aunt value should be greater than output value. Pomeranians, yeah, it's basically aunt value less than. So the on value should be greater than the output value. On value should be greater than output value. I'm thinking I want to do it like this. So is the on of our dreams false? Output value greater than output value. Cats, trees, on value greater than output value. In particular, the readings that the greater than that many. Is the on of our dreams equals true? Right. See what we get. No, too many, so it's wrong. 1, 2. Yeah, I mean, it's totally wrong. Let's do this differently. So the output dictionary has the key. If output value, we get the output value here from the output thing. If property was country and on value. So in particular, the cats and trees reading indicates that there are greater than that many. So this aunt should have more than the output value. So let's switch these around. So we're looking for false actually. We're trying to make it false because it starts off as true. Okay, what? Okay. It's probably not right. That's not right. The answer is too low. Let's loop through, see where we go. Because we got the same answer, right? Property equals goldfish. On value 6, output value 5. There are fewer than that many. So aunt value is 6, output value is 5. I think that's right. So this aunt is not the aunt of our dreams because she has more goldfish than she should. Okay, what about? We can't go through all of them though. Properties trees. Aunt value is 9, output value is 3. Aunt value is 9, output value is 3. Yeah, so that's correct. Akita's property is 0. No, that's fine because yeah, it is present, so it's not like it's turning something that's not correct. You need parens around your property or property clauses. No, you don't. Just add another else statement in the on of dreams is false. Go back to what you had. No! Did I mess up? Do I need parens around something? What is it? What is it? Ah, shit. You need parens around your property or property. Or I need to go back to the way it was completely before. The new code is fine. A or B. Oh, okay. Ah, you're right. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Right. I would never have caught that. This is kind of like cheating. It's still 103! Ah, and it's not 103. Still 103. Property equals cats, or property equals trees. We mean A or B and C. We mean A or B and C. Oh, right. That's probably a good idea. Still 103. That's really weird. What the hell's going on? How come it's always the same? What is this? What dictionary contains property? I think that's right. You're doing day 16 of Advent of Code. You need to go back to your original way. Why? You have it set true because moving away from true, I think. I don't think it should make a difference. Is the aunt of our dreams equals true? Yeah, so we just assume it's true, and then if we see any reason why it's false, we set it to false. And then we output if it is. So I don't think there's a problem with that approach. Maybe I spelled something wrong. Pomeranians, goldfish, trees, cats. No, that looks pretty solid. Okay. Why is it like... Why does it not matter if I do this? Why is it always 103? That's a bit weird. If it's a cat or if it's a tree. If cat or tree and aunt value less than output value, then it's not the right one. Or this. If aunt value does not equal So these three should be mutually exclusive, right? These three, like, I'm worried that, I was thinking that this case might be, like, when it's a, anything else. Yeah, no, they are mutually exclusive. Set a breakpoint on 1 and 3, so you want to say that. It's a good idea. If aunt.name equals 103, who is the aunt of things true? Okay, so it doesn't do anything. Just there so we can have a breakpoint. Okay, so property is cars. Cars. So output values 2, on values 2. They do equal, and so she still could be our aunt, the one we want the most. So output value is 1. It's perfume, so she's got 1 perfume. Output value 1, aunt value 1. Still could be. Ah. Goldfish equals. Output value is 1. Output value is 5. Aunt value is 5. It's a goldfish. Ah, and aunt value is greater than. It must be greater than, it can't be equal to. So aunt value, right. So it's like this, I think. Because it's, yeah. But are we going to find any aunts that are suitable? No, we didn't. Let's mess around. Yeah, okay. So let's, just switch these around and hopefully we get a different value. And then we'll try it out. Damn it! That's super annoying. So now we have no aunt. It just never happens. Greater than. Fewer than. Okay, I'm pretty sure we missed the what's it called? The leaderboard. Yep. Like 22 minutes. So just take our time with this. So I'm getting stressed out. Value, let's think we come up with value. I like the idea of doing it where it starts off as false and we try to make it true. Copy paste my code. Yeah, right. But it's gonna be a bit annoying because you need to like link up the input files and all that. Yeah, I think it's actually better to start off as false and then set it to true. Pomeranians. Pomeranians. Property equals Pomeranians or property equals goldfish. How do case statements work? It's like that, right? Trees. Right? Is that correct? No? Yes? Okay. No? Okay. Pomeranians. Goldfish. Default. If value upward value. I think the problem is this one, but I'm not too sure about that. I just want to kill this. I actually just want to delete it. And it's okay because I pasted it on pastebin, so I can get it back later if I really want it. That looks okay. Maybe it's here. So if the property is not in, maybe that doesn't disqualify it. I don't know. Let's try it. Let's try that later. All right. So there's a lot of aunts that could be. It's 2110 305 or 379. So we could be a jerk and just kind of type in 305 and hope that that works. No. Oh, damn it, I didn't see the clue. It's too low. Okay. So, what's the next one? 379. 44%. Okay. We can try 379 later, but let's try to fix the code first. Switch if else. So I think maybe this isn't fair. Has no effect. 2110 30537. Switch these around. $405. That looks more solid because it's the only answer. Yeah, I mean we got it, but it's kind of annoying how we struggled with it. So, wow, a lot of people did that really fast. Okay, cool. That wasn't too bad. What am I watching? I might take a look at Reddit to see how someone else did it. It was 405. But your input's going to be different from mine, so your answer's probably going to be different. Yeah, so it was just basically like the if statements were too complicated. This isn't necessary. The if statements were too complicated, so I kind of split it down into. So you get the property, and then it goes into one of these 3 buckets, and then here it'll do something else. It was just basically the code was too messy, and the logic was I still don't know what the error is really with the if statements. It looks okay, but it was just. You want my input? Okay. I mean, you could just do it, Dan Popes, with your own input, and then you can just make an account and do it. Yeah, I know about Link. Okay. Yesterday, yesterday I did like a whole, I did loads of Link in yesterday's thing. The only reason I didn't do it is because linking across like these data structures are a bit complicated, and I'm sure like there's a great way to do this in Link, and you would yeah, I can imagine like a Link solution, but the fastest solution I can produce is not a Link solution. So I'd probably like if this was production code, I'd probably um, smash this all down into like one or two lines of Link. But to get it working quickly, I'd rather have it like this because imagine like the thing about Link is when it works, it looks really cool and it's nice, but when it doesn't work, it's a bit hard to debug. Sometimes it's even impossible. So often at work there'll be like a huge Link statement, and then it's just not producing the right output. And how do you debug it? You break it down into like the number of steps, and then if it's still not working, then you just have to break it down into like for each loops or whatever, and figure out what was wrong with your assumptions or whatever. Yeah, that's cool. That's really nice. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow.